The concept of VALR came about because there's a word called valoro, which means value. So we are an exchange where you exchange, people come to the platform to exchange value. And we also are a business that are values-based. So I think all of that put together now we were zeroing on VALR with the O, VALOR. But I think the fate had it that we had to remove the vowel and then have our four-letter domain, valr.com.
We especially needed a logo that had a very prominent V as the logo mark so that we could use the V as the app icon going forward. And the little lines in the V are meant to show up and down trends as you often get to see in crypto. If I had to give you the primary reason why we chose blue, blue is a color that works with green and red, which are the semantic colors that we use for buy and sell. And we had to choose a color that works really well with blue and red and doesn't get overwhelmed by those two colors.
At the heart of everything that VALR does is to create products that we want people to love and tell their friends and family about, products that are in the financial sector, products that allow people to access financial instruments that they don't have access to otherwise, as well as products that are easy to use and create financial freedom.
From the get-go, we decided we're not going to look like a bank and we're not going to look like any other platform out there. We're going to try and be accessible to people who are interested in crypto, but also professional enough to attract pro users and people who are used to trading on platforms.
So if you look at our app or the website, we have products that are simple to use, and there are also products that are very advanced because that is the nature of the industry that we're in. The intention of VALR and the products that we build is always to serve both the retail customers and the high advanced traders.
Everything is heavily user-centric, and I think that is our design philosophy. You know, it's human-centered design. If the beginner can get through it and understand, then our product feature is successful. And we try and get as much feedback from users as much as possible to improve the platform through time and as we go along.